Hey guys, it's Koi. Today we're going to be doing a lather check of our Castile olive oil milk soap. A lot, right? We're going to be testing out the bubbles, the lather, and the overall being of the soap. So let's get into it. We're going to start with our olive oil milk soap that I made by hot process. It was very brittle. If you remember the video, I put a lot of stearic acid in it, so it's very hard. It's actually crumbly. It was very hard to cut. So let's see how this lathers. Okay, I've been scrubbing for a while. No bubbles yet. Like, I feel like the soap is on me, but no bubbles yet. Okay. So low bubble, no bubbles, little lather. It does feel kind of smooth. I've been rubbing for a while now. So this is what I don't want in the soap. So this recipe would definitely have to be tweaked. It will clean you nonetheless, but it doesn't carry the type of properties that I would want. It does feel nice though, I can't lie. It feels okay overall though. Thanks for watching.